In a large skillet over medium heat, melt the butter. Add the onions and cook, stirring often for 10 to 15 minutes until they are soft and have turned a golden brown color. Add mushrooms and kale to the onions. Cook, stirring often until the mushrooms have softened and the kale is wilted. Season with salt and pepper. Sprinkle fresh herbs and walnuts into the wild mushroom mixture and stir for 1 minute. Turn the skillet to low and stir in the brioche and egg until just combined. Gently stir in the vegetable broth, but don't overmix or the brioche will fall apart and turn to mush. Bring the stuffing mixture to a simmer. Transfer the stuffing to a casserole dish sprayed with cooking spray. Cover the dish tightly with foil. Bake the stuffing at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Remove the foil from the casserole dish. Bake for an additional 10 minutes or until the top of the stuffing is nicely browned.